Hello guys, so welcome to another video of Chia Gamers HD. So today I'm going to show you how to make thumbnail. So you need first two apps. And the name are Pixel Lab and YouTube Studio. The link for both of the apps are in the description, so go check it out so you can take it and install it. I think you know how to go to Play Store and install those, Pixel Lab and YouTube Studio. Okay, so first take Pixel Lab and just type in what you want, like type in how to make a thumbnail. I'll just put how to make. She'll let it be here and make one more, like how to make thumbnail. Oh, wrong. Thumbnails on, and here that is. Now add one more text. It's pretty hard. No, not that pretty hard. Still, thumbnail and on. Try. So you gotta make the size and all correct. So go to size. Let this be a bit small, and let this be go big. Note that. Yeah. This one too. How to make thumbnail on Android. Now you gotta add some colors, whichever you want. I'm going for black. And let's add some things like font. Okay, I always use this one. Yeah, they are pretty much helpful for me. If you have any other thumbnails, fonts, you just comment in the section below. Oh, wrong button. And my font. Oh, I didn't do that. My font, stereo font. Yeah. Now let's color them. And I'm gonna add a stroke, and I'm gonna do it white. You'll know it why. First we should color it so that we know how much. So I'm going for black. Color black. Now let's do the stroke one. Was it? Yeah, here is it. Yeah. You can do it the other way. You can do it many ways. I'm just doing this way. You can use your creativity and do other. Oh, that's too much, I think. And this one too. Enable it. White color. And you gotta make this, the background thing. I'll take it from a gallery. You can do it from somewhere else. Oh. I forgot to do one more thing. I think the image size, it should be for making thumbnail, like YouTube thumbnail. Yeah, here. Down a bit. And if you want to add some more, like, you can add anything like curve to it, like you said, curve, spacing. Or you can change the stroke color, like orange, red, any one you like. Like you can add this one, anything. It's like creativity. You can do how much you can. It's like, if you're getting any problems, just comment in the section below. Or you can watch any other video like thumbnail maker, like that. There's some other video using those. This is just a bit like you can do like creativity. So this much is enough, and take save image, save to gallery. Sorry, image save. It will show like that, but I think the image is saved. It's just the problem with my Pixel app, but most of the time the save will be there. Take the YouTube Studio, the second app I told you to install. Here it's a pretty much simple thing, just adding the thumbnail change. Yeah. So take any video in which you wanna add the thumbnail, and click on that, and click on this thing. Oh, sorry. Click on this thing and this thing, and it will take you to this place. And here it is. I will show you edit thumbnail. You can add any of this, or take a custom thumbnail from you, and you can click this, and it will be added. I don't want to add it because it's not the video of that. So that's, and now you can like save it. If you do not, I haven't edited anything, so if you save it on, it will be saved. Then finish. Yeah. So thank you guys for watching my video. If you watch my video first time, please hit that subscribe button, and bye guys.